Hi guys, today I'm at Uea-Alin at Chiang Mai, and today it is very cold. Very cold. And this is the coldest place I've ever been. It is like 13 Celsius here. Even I'm wearing like this, I'm still cold. And after I finish going upstairs and going downstairs, I'm going to go to our hotel and go to the swimming pool. And the swimming pool, I think it's cold, but the swimming pool can change temperature. Okay, let's go take some pictures. These are the moss. They grow when they rain, and then they grow up here. And look, there are a lot of fog there. I can't see anything there. And it's the tallest mountain in Thailand. And if we get like taller and taller, it's getting colder and colder. I think this is the coldest now. And over here, it's getting warmer, but it's 11 Celsius. The first day that I come, it's 13 Celsius, but this is kind of warm. Actually, and the one that I said, it's 11 Celsius but actually it's at 6 a.m., but the real temperature is 15 over there. But the first step that we come, it's 13 because it's colder, but now it's warmer, so it's 15. Have my cocoa. Not cocoa, Ovaltine. I look at it, it's like amazing. Let's go check it out. Here is the map. Where are we staying? Oh, it's 2,565 meters tall. Very tall. And this is the Thailand zone, maybe this, and this is the Myanmar zone. It's kind of like shorter than us, but over here it's some countries' zone. It's kind of tall. It's taller than us. And that is Everest. And this, I don't know what's the Inthanon. Let's go meet each other at the waterfall. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to the waterfall. It is very hard when it comes down. The pictures come down on the rock and then it's down on the sky and from here it's kind of cool. So I need to put some hat because I don't want my hair to get wet, and I need to put on the same clothes. Let's go. I'm getting wet. It's like it's raining over here. Look, do you see that rainbow? It comes from that sunlight and the water. Looks like the rainbow can fly.